So many persons are experiencing issues of removing image backgrounds and all that. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you perfect way to remove image background with ease. So let's head over to Play Store and download this app. So come over to Play Store and search for this app, Photo Room. So this is Photo Room. I already have the application in my phone, that's why it's showing like this. So once you are done downloading this app, come over here and open the app. So this is how the app look like. I can say that for smartphone designers, this is the best application to remove image background with ease. And the sweetest part of this is that you can remove multiple image background at once, even without losing the quality. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on start from photo and then select a picture. So let me select this picture. Select this picture and then let's see the magic. So this is it. You click on transparent and that is all. You click on export and you download your picture directly into your gallery. Very easy and simple. Let's try it out with another picture. Click on start from photo, then select a different picture. So let's try it out with this particular picture. Click on it and wait for the magic. This is it. Very simple and easy. You are not going to worry about reducing the quality of the picture. The quality still remain intact. So now let me show you how to remove multiple image background with this same application. Go back and click on batch, then click on start new batch. So at this point you can select up to 10, 15 or 20 images and the background will disappear. Let's try it out. So yeah, I want to try it out with some of my pictures. Now let's select. So you can select as many pictures as you want. So for the sake of this video, let's select 20. Click on done and let's wait for the magic. So as you can see, the backgrounds are removing one after another. So this is it. The backgrounds of the images are no longer there. So click on transparent and then click on export and that is it. So try this out and let me know if it worked for you. I'll see you on the next one. So many persons are experiencing issues of removing image backgrounds and all that. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you perfect way to remove image background with ease. So let's head over to Play Store and download this app. So come over to Play Store and search for this app, Photo Room.